Good morning to all. Last video we saw the lesson 2, that is our friends. In that lesson we saw the two characters. Those are mother and daughter. Mother is Vanilla and daughter is Samutra. Both are in market. She saw some vehicles, firefighters, fire engine, like this we saw that. Now we are going to see the continuity of our second lesson. In Samutra, what building is this? Mother and Samutra was walking the road, and at the time Samutra saw one building. So she asked a question to her mother. Mother said, "This building is built to extend the market." That the building was built to extend the market. They extend the market. Samutra saw that the building, asked that question. Okay. Next, Samutra, what is the building built for? She asked a reason. Why they extend the building? What's the reason that she asking? It is built so as to protect people and traders from sunshine and rainfall. This building protect the people and traders from sunshine and rainfall. This is useful to the people. Who built this building? Samutra asked, who built this building? Mother said, civil engineer built it. Civil engineer built it. He gave structure and design to the building. Civil engineer built the building. He gave a structure and design to the laborers. Samutra, does a civil engineer design a house? Samutra's question is, civil engineer design a house? Yes, of course. He designed houses, schools, colleges, bridges, multi-store buildings, temples, settlements, shops, factories, and so on. Buildings are constructed using a plan made by a civil engineer. The civil engineer built the extend the market. He built the houses, schools, colleges, bridges, multi-stores, temples, settlements, house, factories also. Civil engineer planned, then he give to the laborers and give a separate work to them. They only built the house. Okay. Samutra, oh, I see. Ma, why are we going through this mud path? This is not our regular route. Samutra asked, this is not our regular path. Why we are going this way? That way is a mud path. Mud path means manpadai. Why we are moving this way? What about our regular route? Repair work is going on in our usual tar road. Both are in walk in a mud path. Their regular path is a tar road. Okay. Repair work is going on in our usual tar road. Samutra said, are these roads light for us? Samutra asked, these roads for us? Mother said, yes, of course, for us. The road are light by road workers to make travel easy for the pedestrians and vehicles. This road is useful to pedestrians means walkers. We are walking a road. We are the pedestrians and vehicle. Okay, Samutra, look at the either side of this way. Samutra, why, ma? What is special? Mom told, see the both sides. See this way. Samutra asked, why, ma? What special? Mother said, don't don't you think the green fields are beautiful? You don't know green fields are beautiful? Mother asked that question. Samutra, yes, they are. Who are the people working here? This is that place. There some people are working here. Samutra asked, who are they? Why they are standing there? Okay, mother said, they are farmers. They are farmers. They are farmers. Because of them, we get food and live happily. They only produce a food, so we eat the food and we live happily. Samutra, Ma, can you see that bus? Samutra saw one bus. She asked the question to her mother. Ma, can you see that bus? Mother, yes, bus is one of our transport service. Mother said, yeah, I saw that. This is one of our transport services. Like firefighters, farmers, engineers, the service of the drivers and conductor are also very valuable. They are the people who carry out the transport service efficiently. Now already we saw the firefighters, farmers, engineers. Now we are going to see the drivers and conductors also. They only carry out a persons in a transport service. Okay. Samutra, Ma, can you hear an unusual alarm sound somewhere near? Samutra hears some unusual alarm sound. So she asked to her mother. Mother said, yes, that is the siren of the police. That is the siren of the police. That the sound came from the police jeep. Okay. Samutra, why police? Is something wrong? Samutra asked, why police came? Is something wrong? Mother, this is a usual visit of the police during the evening in the market. This is a usual visit of the evening time. They come and see the market. That is the regular duty for that. They come here to discipline us. It's overcrowded at this time. Evening time the market will be crowd. At the time they come and secure the people. They protect the people also. Okay, they protect people, their properties, and make sure all the rules and regulations are followed by all. If the police was stand, the peoples also follow the rules and regulations, so only they come and visit the market. Samutra, Ma, mother, what? Samutra, you once said that our neighborhood Anna is serving in the border. What does it mean? Samutra asked one question to her mother. What's that? Samutra mother one day told her neighborhood are in the border. What is mean? What's that? They asking. Her mother told her neighborhood in military border. So asked the meaning. Mother, he serves in the Indian border as a soldier. He serves in the Indian border as a soldier. Okay, that the neighborhood Anna was in soldier in Indian border. Fighting to protect the people of our country from enemies. Fighting to protect the people of our country from enemies. They protect the people of country. They protect the people and the country. Okay, there are many soldiers who defend the country, sacrificing their own lives and family. Their own lives and families. That soldiers are sacrificed their own life and families for our country. They sacrifice their happiness, lives and families. These soldiers together from the army of the defense force. Samutra. Now I remember our teacher told us about the army yesterday in the class. Samutra, at the time Samutra recalled the story told her teacher told the story. Mother. Samutra, do you know the service of teacher is a noble one that enlightens us with knowledge, values and helps people to become good citizen. Dear, we have come to the main road. Hold my hand. Mother asked the question to Samutra. Do you know the service of teacher? They only enlighten your students' knowledge. She developed the good citizen. Good man in the world. Dear, the mother told, dear, hold my hands. We come to the main road. Samutra. Ma, who is standing in the middle of the road? Who is standing in the middle of the road? Mother. Oh, he is a traffic policeman. He is a traffic policeman. Samutra. Why is he standing there? Why he is a traffic policeman? Why he is standing for that? Mother, his work is very important because he controls the vehicles coming from all sides. Thus he directs the vehicles and protect the pedestrians. His work is standing in the road. He controls the vehicles in coming from the all sides of the vehicles. He only control the traffics and protect the pedestrians. Samutra. Ma, look at the genetic building over there. What building is that? That is a court. Samutra. Court. What's that? Here all the problems are solved as per the laws of our country. Judges treat all men with justice in various cases. They protect our rights. Judges only decide that they give a justice in all. Both are in same. They give a equal rights to all. Okay. Samutra. Ma, now I understand that all these people whom we came across today are working for us. I feel very proud of them. Samutra saw now only she understand the whom we came across today are working for us. They are all working for us. She feel very proud of them. Supreme Court is the guardian of our constitution. Mother. Samutra, do you have any wish? What would you like to do in your life? Mother asked. Do you have any wish? What would you like to in your life? What's your aim? They are asking what's your aim. Samutra. Yes, I have a wish. She have a wish. I want to study well and seek a good job. She want to study well and get a good job. At the same time, I would like to look after our garden and field with care. She want to do the garden work with their own field. Mother. At last we reached our home, dear. Please open the door. They reach the home and they do their duties. Okay. We finished our second lesson, ma.